Okay, Adrian. So just remember on this part that when you add hair to a square feature, that you want your hairline to represent square. And then if you do something with a round face like this one here, then you want something round. This is where we left off at. Here, I'm just drawing the picture out for you. So this is like the first take. And then remember, I'm going to play it backwards for you. So just kind of look at this one to see how it goes. Remember, again, with the round head, what you have to do with the upper head shape here when you start that. And then just kind of follow it on out here. I want you to draw this picture over again multiple times so that you're able to put together this caricature pretty easily, so that when we go to the next one, you have an idea of what we need to do next. So anyway, all right. So again, just follow this on all the way out. If you have any questions about what I'm doing here, or I know you sometimes ask, is it a common thing for this to occur or that to occur? Just hit me up with those questions, and then I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right, Adrian. Great effort in class today. See you next week.